Part 1. Welcome to the world of crypto investing. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your first cryptocurrency investment in 2024. Whether you're completely new to crypto or looking for a solid roadmap, this guide will cover everything from choosing the right tools to building your portfolio, staying secure, and managing taxes. Check the description below for links to helpful tools I mention. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy and the confidence to start your cryptocurrency journey. Let's get started. Part 2. Why 2024 is the best year to start investing. Cryptocurrency is transforming the way we think about money, and 2024 brings exciting opportunities. With growing institutional adoption, advancements in blockchain technology, and clear regulatory progress, the crypto market is poised for growth. Key opportunities to watch for: Bitcoin's potential bull run. The next Bitcoin halving is expected in 2024, which historically leads to price surges. DeFi growth. Decentralized finance is expanding, offering lucrative opportunities like staking and yield farming. Innovative altcoins. Projects focused on AI, gaming, and sustainability are trending. But before you dive in, let's ensure you're fully prepared. Part 3. Setting the foundation for your first investment. Before you invest, it's essential to plan. Decide your budget. Only invest money you can afford to lose. A good rule is to allocate no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio to crypto. Research the market. Stay informed by analyzing trends and data. For this, use TradingView, the go-to platform for technical analysis. With its advanced charting tools and indicators, TradingView simplifies market research and helps you identify profitable entry and exit points. Part 4. Picking the right exchange and wallet. To start investing, you'll need two things: a trustworthy exchange and a secure wallet. Choose a reliable exchange. Use platforms like BlockFi, which not only lets you trade but also allows you to earn interest on your holdings. It's beginner-friendly and offers strong security features. Secure your investments with hardware wallets. For long-term storage, hardware wallets like Elpool and SafePool are your best options. These wallets protect your assets offline and offer advanced security measures like multi-layer encryption. Part 5. Tracking and managing your portfolio. Once you've made your first investment, staying on top of your portfolio is crucial. Here's how: track performance with CoinStats. CoinStats is an all-in-one portfolio tracker that connects to multiple exchanges and wallets, giving you a clear view of your investments in real time. It's a must-have tool to monitor market movements and portfolio performance. Analyze on-chain data with Glassnode. Glassnode provides deep insights into blockchain activity. By analyzing metrics like wallet activity and transaction volume, you can make informed decisions. Part 6. Managing cryptocurrency taxes. Cryptocurrency taxes can seem daunting, but tools like Coinly, Token Tax, and Zen Ledger simplify the process. Coinly tracks your transactions and automatically calculates capital gains and losses. Token Tax, ideal for tax filing and reporting. Part 7. Pro tips for first-time crypto investors. Start small. Begin with a small investment to minimize risk while you learn. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising altcoins. Stay educated. Follow credible sources and use tools like TradingView to adapt your strategy. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your plan, even during market volatility. Subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams for more actionable tips and tools to grow your wealth. What's your first crypto investment going to be? Check the description below for links to helpful tools I mentioned. Share it in the comments below.